So tell me one card that you like, and then Alexander will show. It can be any card. This one. How's the name of this card in Russian? Ten of
так, бубновая десятка.
diamond.
Ten of diamonds.
Diamonds. Moving. I will take your card. I will put here. And now Alexander should do the work properly. Okay. I hope he's taking something out. And it should be your card. Let's see. Правильно? Окей, спасибо, Александр. Я не знаю. Иногда это работает хорошо, иногда плохо. To be honest, я не знаю. Это нормально porque calor. I show you. But Alexander made strange work. Let's try again with you. Tell me one that you like. This one? Как зовут это по-русски? Туз. По-английски?
Ace of diamonds.
Okay, I will take your card.
Wait a sec.
Now Alexander should show you your card. I hope. Пожалуйста, Alexander. So yes, he's taking one card from inside of his hat. And I think... Yes, правильно. Спасибо, Александр. Спасибо за время.
Okay, thank you.